Hello, today I want to share with you this little apple factory set by Skoolzy. I actually got this for my youngest daughter as I feel like this is something that she would love to play with. She has little eggs that are very similar, and so when I saw these apples, I just knew this was something that I had to get her. I love how they come in here and then the red and yellow and green rows. But let me show you what's extra special about them. When you open them up, they have seeds in them, different colored seeds, and then in different amounts, numbers 1 through 12. Here's the yellow with the 4. And here's one of the red ones. Ooh. And it's got blue and the number 11 on the inside. And they just fit together really well. I think she's going to enjoy that a lot. This also comes with several different cards to teach you how to play different things. And this is showing you how to actually make like a little station. The first one is a washing station. The next one is a weight station. Then a little conveyor belt. A little sorting station. Then a counting station. A packing station. This is super cute. Build an apple packaging factory challenge. And so here's like an up close of all the different details of what they were talking about. This is great for the STEM learning, learning colors, learning numbers, fine motor skills. It has so many different things that kids are not realizing that they're learning, but they're learning. And I just think that this is a great item. I think it's awesome. So there you have it. If you were to ask me my short, sweet opinion on this apple factory set, I would definitely say this is definitely a great item for birthdays, preschool kids. Like this is a good one. Real quick, before you go, if you have watched this video and decided that this product is a good fit for what you're looking for, be sure to check the description below and you will find a link that will direct you straight to the product. All right.